Mathino and CodeGeek make composing, editing, and formatting math easy with the Math with LaTeX gadget. This gadget is powered by MathJax, a JavaScript display engine for mathematics. MathJax enables authors to show LaTeX code as beautifully rendered math on any browser. Add mathematical phrases or equations to your lessons in two ways, either inline and flush with the surrounding text, or as display equations that are rendered separately. To use the Math with LaTeX gadget in your course, drag the gadget into the player. A sample portion of text has been put in place for you. See what the finished product will look like below the text field. A property sheet will also appear at the left. Here, you can specify the position of your image relative to the text. Click on the Image Position menu in the property sheet to view your image choices. If you want to include an image, click on the area that reads No Image Chosen and choose the file on your computer that you want to upload. Then, choose its position in relation to the text. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. If you don't want to include an image, choose Hidden from the property sheet. Let's recreate the sample text provided to you in the gadget. Details on LaTeX via MathJax language is provided in the Math with LaTeX course. Find it on our support page. We'll keep the first Math with LaTeX gadget we added above as a guide. We'll choose Hidden from the Image menu since we're not including an image. Typing non-math text is simple. Delete the sample text and type or copy and paste into the text field. So, to recreate the sample text, we would type sample text: when. Format your non-math text with the formatting palette below. For the math phrase, a is not equal to 0, we begin using the Math with LaTeX language. To create text that is inline within a sentence like a is not equal to 0 in the sample text, surround your math phrase with $1 on either side. So, we'll start this inline text with a $. A is A. To produce the not equal sign, type in \NE. Then, add the 0. To finish the inline phrase, add $1 to the end. Check the text field below to view the math rendering in real time. Next, we continue adding our non-math text. There are two solutions too. Now we need to add a math phrase again to include a times x squared plus b times x plus c equals 0. Since it's inline again, we'll start with $1. We'll type in ax for a times x, but x is squared. To add a superscript, type the caret symbol, then the number or variable for the exponent. Here, we add a 2 for x squared. Plus sign bx plus sign c equals sign 0. To end the phrase, we add $1. Again, we add our non-math text, and they are. Now we need to add an equation that is displayed on its own as opposed to being a part of the body of text. To completely separate a math phrase and put it on its own line, surround the phrase with $2. So, we begin with $2. Then, x equals. Now we have a fraction. To add a fraction, begin it with \frac. The numerator and denominator will follow, surrounded by their own braces. So type in left brace, -b. The code to add a plus or minus symbol is \PM for plus minus. Next, we add a square root by typing in \SQRT. To add a math phrase under the square root, we start with another left brace, the phrase to be added under the square root, then close this section with a right brace. We add another right brace to finish the numerator. To add the denominator, we start with the new left brace. 2a for the denominator, then a right brace to finish it. We add a period to finish the sentence and $2 to complete the display equation. When you are finished authoring within the gadget, click on the gear icon or outside of the gadget to close the editing area. Click on the gear icon at any time to make changes. That's it. The Math with LaTeX gadget makes it easy for you to add math into your lesson.